Part 4.
So you're
Trying to
done
put
with the bird.
Yeah.
Am I actually holding this right now? Tell me.
Yeah.
Okay, so all we need to do is stick the peg in, which is the hardest part. Nate, come here.
What?
Do you know how to put the peg in the birdhouse?
Let me see it.
Yeah, can you put our peg in the birdhouse, please?
Oh,
This thing in the birdhouse, please.
The peg.
Yeah, I think so.
Here.
Whoa, that's beautiful.
Just be careful. We just glued it.
Yes. Well, I didn't. Mine was already glued.
That's
So it goes in
beautiful.
this hole.
Yeah, we're not done with it yet because
Yeah, we need to do this and this. Can you stick it in without breaking it?
we're trying to stick mine in.
Be careful, that's not.
Yes! I got it in. I got it in. I got it in.
You have to push it in. No.
I did.
Oh. There, I think I got it in.
Just need to fix it.
I wish somebody would help me on my birdhouse. It's so hard.
I
This
know.
birdhouse.
Yep.
This birdhouse is so easy. You want me to help you? Me and her
Sure.
to help you?
After we're done with the
but
video.
I think I have a missing piece though. I thought it's one of my roof pieces, but I just don't have one of my side pieces. Whoops.
Here, let me try.
I lost one of my side pieces. Wonder if there's any more.
Mine is falling apart.
I know. Falls apart.
Gosh, only my side pieces fell. Gosh.
At least 3 got stuck together.
This birdhouse is really hard.
My birdhouse is harder.
So is mine. Mine like literally fell.
Something that's got glue with nothing.
That's not true.
What is it?
What you just said is not true. Maybe we could go ask Carla to put our peg in. Like it needs to be pushed in. Oh no, it doesn't. Wait, let me see what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this.
Yeah, I know, mine does.
That's supposed to be a fatter peg.
No, there isn't.
Do you guys need your glue anymore?
It's because it's on a picture. Ah, no! Trying to get this little piece out. I knew it would be a little. No! No! We're doing construction here.
Let me just pause this.
Okay. Now we need to put our little tiny little pieces in.
We should wait till it's all glued.
Yeah.
Wait till it's all glued.
Yeah.
To do that.
But,
Wait till tomorrow.
Wait till it's all glued. Because it'll fall in there. Guys, look. I can do something cool. So do that. Rub it on.
ooh, look! It's not coming.
And then watch. Oh.
No! No!
birdhouse didn't break. Here's more glue. I don't need more glue. You want me to do it?
Frick.
Here, I'll get it. You want me to?